Well, and some of these areas, like this is always a troubled area in a lot of homes because as people open the doors, especially an outside door, there will be like water that comes in either from a rainstorm or there's a rain spout that comes down and it's very close to the door and then it splashes and this area looks unsightly. Oftentimes, and we've had lots of people come out and inspect them over the years as we've talked to homeowners that are doing either a move in, move out clean, because the cleaners are really involved in this process. And as house cleaners, oftentimes we're on site while the repair guys are there trying to do the last minute tidy up stuff. So we've had a lot of opportunities to ask, this is a hot area, this right here, what you're seeing in this picture, because this area will be discolored from rain and it looks like the wood is warping or is rotted or something like that. Oftentimes it's just a water stain. And so if you can paint over this and it's not a permanent damage that needs to have all the molding in the door replaced, by all means, before the inspector comes, paint over it and just make it look nice and tidy again. Whole
Yeah, and
thing.
that's the first impression of your home too. That's the first thing that a prospective buyer is going to see is the entryway into your home. So make it as a good experience as you can.